Quick video just to show you how this Danuser Intimidator tree puller and stump bucket works. In this case here, this is a dead, it's called a huisac shrub or tree. It's looks a lot like a mesquite the way it branches out. It's got thorns all over it. It's a pain. And first thing I did was I had to break off this one branch that was hit me in the windscreen. I didn't want to scratch up the glass, so I just busted this piece off so I could get in at the base of it and not have to deal with that branch hitting me in the face. But this tool cost around $3,000. This attachment works really good. If you put it in a closed position, you can use it like a stump bucket and dig that yellow beak right underground, pop up rocks, pop up roots, and then it opens up nice and wide so you can get a shrubby tree like this and grab it all and compress it and bust up the branches and pull it out of the ground. And this one here is pretty well established, so it was a little harder to get out at first. But once you get a hold of it and start to push it back and forth and break up those roots, then you can loosen up the soil enough to then pop it out. And it's got a shield there. There's a black shield between the tree and your glass, and so that helps when you're pushing forward to keep those branches up and over the Bobcat. And then yeah, just keep working it back and forth, and then pull the tree right out, pull it out of the roots, and off you go. So yeah, Danuser Intimidator. It's a good attachment. I use it quite a bit. A lot of different things you can do with it, and I highly recommend it. I hope this helps. Have a great day.